So the event reads that the teams will demonstrate an understanding of the math and physics related to stellar evolution and star and planet formation. It is a team of up to 2. The approximate time is 50 minutes. And that 50 minutes is really important. You need to make sure that every single team, every single session has the exact same amount of minutes. If you end the first one and you decided, if you start them early and so they have a total of, say, because these are 1 hour segments of time, right? So you have to figure that your event is going to take 50 minutes because it will take 10 minutes for them to get started and for them to end. So if in your very first session you give them 55 minutes, but then you find you don't have enough time for the second session and they only get 53 minutes, then that first section with those first few teams have that little bit of extra time, which might affect the overall placement of the teams. So make sure that every single team has the exact same amount of time to do the event. Again, each team may bring 2 laptops or 2 3-ring binders or 1 of each, and no internet allowed, as I've said before. Remember that this is a world that is now really computer-based. Students use those laptops just like a 3-ring binder. Some students still like to do it the other way of actually putting together a 3-ring binder, inserting materials in there. That's fine. They will use their laptops just like a 3-ring binder. I have seen some incredible organizational quote electronic 3-ring binders on laptops. However, I will tell you that the winning teams, the highest placed teams, sometimes bring 3-ring binders and no laptops. So it's whatever the team is most comfortable with. So when you read the event description, you see what this year's 16 deep sky objects are. And those 16 deep sky objects are selected specifically to cover the content in this year's event, which includes the early stages of stellar evolution with molecular clouds and star formation regions and protostars and circumstellar disks, and also exoplanets, hot Jupiters, terrestrial Earths. So the deep sky objects are selected specifically to focus in on the content areas within the event description. And some of them are selected for historical purposes. They're very important ones. And other ones are selected because they are cutting edge and giving us new information. If you want an overview of the event, a general overview of all of the deep sky objects, all organized for you, we have a Chandra recorded webinar of me presenting the Astronomy C 2015 event. It is available on the Chandra website. And that would be the first place to begin after reading the event description. If you want to learn about those deep sky objects, then you should go to the Chandra website and listen to the webinar.